Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn lace mesh stitch. It's a very easy pattern, beginner friendly. You can also learn this pattern with the help of written instruction. The link is given in the description box below. Double crochet, single crochets are used in this pattern. It's a very simple pattern. Let's start. I have used 1.9 millimeter hook and lace yarn. Begin with split knot. Keep yarn like this as X, and like this pull yarn from the middle. That's it. We have got our split knot. From here I am going to chain 33 multiples of 8 plus 1. Do chain 33. After 33 chains, 1 chain. From hook, do 1 single crochet on second chain. Inside the hook, on the chain, pull a loop and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We did our first single crochet. From here, do chain 4. From single crochet, skip 3 chains and do another single crochet on 4th chain. Inside the hook, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's it. After single crochet, 2 4th chains. Skip 3 chain on foundation chain and 1 single crochet on 4th chain. Fourth chains. Skip 3 chains in foundation chain, 1 single crochet on 4th chain. Like this mesh stitch we are going to create all over this row. After this, row 1. Now row 2. Begin with chain 3. Four double crochets on first chain 4 space here. Yarn over inside the hook and yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. Did our first double crochet. Like this, do 3 more double crochets here. That's it. We have did our 4 double crochets. From here, chain 2, 1 single crochet on next chain 4 space. Here, 1 single crochet inside the hook, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's it. After single crochet, do chain 2 and do 4 double crochets on next chain 4 space. Here do 4 double crochets. After double crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet on next chain 4 space. One single crochet, chain 2 and do 4 double crochet on next chain 4 space. Like this we are going to repeat all over this round. 4 double crochet on chain 4 space, chain 2, 1 single crochet on next chain 4 space, chain 2, 4 double crochet on next chain 4 space. Like this we have completed this row, and last do 1 double crochet on the begin chain 1. End up with row 2. Now row 3, chain 1, turn over, do chain 4, one single crochet on chain 2 space. On here do 1 single crochet. In this row we're going to do mesh stitch, 1 single crochet and do chain 4. After chain 4, do 1 single crochet on next chain 2 space. After single crochet, chain 4. The single crochet on next chain 2 space. Here it is. Chain 4. Single crochet on chain 2 space. Again chain 4. Single crochet on chain 2 space. Like this we are going to repeat all over this row. Chain 4, 1 single crochet on chain 2 space, again chain 4, single crochet on chain 2 space. Like this we have completed our row 3. From here we are going to begin our row 4. Row 4 repetition of row 2, chain 3, turn over. Now here look at this, we are going to do our single crochet step here, do chain 2, extra 2 chain more, do 1 single crochet on first chain 4 space, and now chain 2, do 4 double crochet on next chain 4 space. Now chain 2, 1 single crochet on next chain 4 space, two chain, 4 double crochets on next chain 4 space. Like this we are going to repeat all over this round. Chain 2, 1 single crochet on chain 4 space, chain 2, 4 double crochet on next chain 4 space. Like this we have completed this round. At last do 1 double crochet on begin chain. Now we are going to repeat row 2 to row 4 all over the side project. Now chain 1, turn over, chain 4, one single crochet on chain 2 space, again chain 4, one single crochet on next chain 2 space. Like this we are going to repeat all over this row. Chain 4, 1 single crochet on chain 2 space, chain 4, another single crochet on chain 2 space. Completed our row. Now chain 1, turn over, now do chain 3. We did our single crochet step on below. Now do 4 double crochets here. 4 double crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet on next chain 4 space, chain 2, 4 double crochets on next chain 4 space, two chain, 1 single crochet on next chain 4 space. After single crochet, do 2 chains. Now 4 double crochet on next chain 4 space. Like this we're going to repeat all over this row. For fasten off, do chain 2, leave some yarn, uncut, pull the yarn, pull chain 2 downwards like this. That's it. How easy this pattern is. On first row we did our chain 4 single crochet, chain 4, and second row we did our 4 double crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, 2 chain 4 double crochets, and again we have to repeat chain 4, 1 single crochet, chain 4, and again 4 double crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, again 4 double crochet step. It will, if you look this pattern carefully means you will clearly understood. You can also learn this pattern with the help of written instruction. The link is given in the description box below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any kind of doubts, please comment down below. Thank you for watching.